Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore billing issues on your Progressive account step by step clearly. To begin restoring billing issues on your Progressive account, access the website on your preferred device. Log into your Progressive account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the billing section of your account dashboard. Review any outstanding balance or missed payments displayed there. If you notice discrepancies, check your payment history for any recent transactions. To correct a payment issue, click on the option to update payment methods. Enter your new credit or debit card information accurately. Make sure to double-check the expiration date and security code. If you prefer, you can also set up a bank transfer by selecting that option. After entering your new payment information, save your changes. Next, check if you have any pending notices from Progressive regarding your billing. If you find any notifications, follow the instructions provided in those messages. In case of unresolved issues, locate the Contact Us section. Choose the appropriate method to reach customer support, such as phone, chat, or email. Explain your billing issue to the customer service representative clearly. They will guide you through any additional steps needed to resolve the issue. Once resolved, revisit your account to confirm that your billing information has been updated correctly. Finally, set up reminders for future payments to avoid similar issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.